Once again, welcome to Back Fishing Vlogs. It's been a while. It's been 3 months since the start of the COVID pandemic protocol, the lockdown, and the special reminders about social distancing, staying at home, staying safe, keeping sanitized all the time, and a lot more. So with those long period of time, most of us stayed home, and most of the anglers have to stop searching for new fishing spots due to the restrictions in utilizing local resources because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The large bodies of waters all around the world have been rested, and so we will continue our outdoor activities once the proper government agencies approved our request to let all the local anglers and fishermen fish our local waters in order to support our local economy and of course our personal hobbies and consumption, and that is fishing and angling, while observing safety and protecting the marine environment. Luckily, few of our local anglers have enjoyed angling while still on the lockdown. And here are some of the video flicks and photos attesting the suspense and exciting adventures of our fellow Bicolano Alacham anglers during the lockdown. Fish on, tight line, Alachamers. Alachamers in action.
Yan o, wild duck yan. Parting bagakay. Dakol sinda. Halos 15, kasing 50 ang wild duck. Yan, dyan sa, sa swamp area. Sa rumpish pa na dakulaon.
Ay, yumananggan.
Ay, wow, ito ko lang. Garin, sinasabat kong kato.
Bus natan. Catch and release. Ay! Focus mo.
Sadi.
Kanan mo yung lalabon ko. Bye!
Gila na. Sadi ito.
Lingga na. Picture.
Yan na si nagbangka. Ano? Dala na igdi.
Ay, wow, dakula.
Surinoya.
Dakol man. Ano na ko amo? Ay, abaan ang kadraradit. Garo bagian ikti.
Yan na po. Uy, tuklaw ng po. Kali si Roma.
Sa Gayan or at dyan.
Mustad yun eh. Fish on!